Welcome to Learn by Choice. So in this video we are going to talk about recession and recovery curves. So this is a news item appeared in ET markets. So Mr. Sunil Subramanian, he believed that there will be V-shaped recovery. This is a news item appeared in Forbes. Here alphabet soup and understanding the shape of the COVID-19 recession. This is an article in Financial Times. It's talking about V-shaped recovery. This is an article in Washington Post. There is a growing possibility of W-shaped economic recovery and it is scary. Again in Forbes, what's the shape of the economic recovery? V, W or L. So all these alphabets talk about return to the normal situation and when it is going to happen. So in various alphabets, the normal situation, the existing data is used to model it to show the forecast of the economy for the future. So all these alphabets you get if you plot all the economic indicators like GDP, industrial production and employment data in a chart, you get various shapes, whether it is W, U or L. So let us talk about all these recoveries, all these alphabets one by one. So if you see this graph, it's talking about the recession of 1953 in the United States. So there is a steep fall in the economy and then it is reaching the trough. Trough means bottom. So economy is falling down and it is reaching the trough. Then after the trough, there is a best recovery. Economy is bouncing back. So there is a fall and immediately there is a recovery. Though this graph looks like a V shape. So the recovery of the economy is happening because of some of the triggers which caused fall in the economy are removed or it is changed. So to make it V-shaped recovery and it is the best possible recovery, during the tough times or when the economy is falling, the demand has to be increased and the government has to put lot of stimulus packages and also there should be lot of encouragement to investment by private sector, which all lead to job creation and also more money available in the hands of the people. So by doing that, the V-shaped recovery is happening and this V-shaped recovery is otherwise called as quick bounce recovery. This is another model of recovery from the recession where if you see there is a gradual decline in the economic growth factors and then there is a gradual increase in the growth, GDP or employment data or the investment. So this shape is looking like U. So this is U-shaped recovery, but this is the realistic recovery. V-shaped recovery, for that many factors they have to work out, not only government but also non-government. So in most of the situation the U-shaped recovery or realistic recovery is happening. So this is again talking about the recession happened in the United States. So here the average GDP growth between 1947 and 2009 is being analyzed. So this is the other alphabet falls and there are increases and here if you see there are multiple recessions, 2 times there is a recession. This is called a double dip recession and there are some increases also and these increases are recovery. These are all false signs. Shape is looking like W. So this is W-shaped recovery. Graph if you look, it is looking like roller coaster recession. So multiple dips and multiple highs. Not so favored this W type recovery and because of the false symptoms of recovery and there is 2 or more dips in recession and here there are multiple problems will work in the country. Layoff will continue, investment will be poor or there may be other domino effect. Domino effect is nothing but it's a chain reaction. Problem happened in one country will affect other or problem within the country in one sector is affecting the other sector. So this is W-shaped. Next is L. So L is the worst phase. There is a fall, yes. This is the worst dip in the economy. Straight away, it's like a V shape, there is a dip Unlike V-shape, it's not recovering. There is a slight increase, that's all. Failed to recover. This is L-shape. This is otherwise called as hockey stick slump. Thank you for watching Learn by Choice. Please subscribe to Learn by Choice for more and more videos.